Introducing Sleek Titan Bifold Installation Video. Begin by identifying all the components of the Sleek Titan Bifold system. Mark the points using the installation guide sheet provided. Fix the main lift mechanism to the side panel using the provided screws. Turn the screws clockwise to reduce the arm's weight handling capacity and anti-clockwise to increase it. Turn the screw clockwise to increase the door's closing speed. Turn it anti-clockwise to reduce the closing speed. Next, install the top mounting plates and hinges onto the cabinet ceiling. Secure the connecting hinges onto the wooden shutter panels. Now, fix the lower shutter to upper shutter hinge, upper shutter to cabinet ceiling hinge, and then connect both the shutters to lift arms. Once adjusted, slide on the Sleek branded cover caps for a clean finish. Test the movement to ensure the bifold doors open and close smoothly.